Okay.
I will also give you a feedback.
Hmm. Tell me.
Okay.
Have you
Okay.
prepared something?
So,
Have you written something for
no,
us?
no. Actually, I was thinking like what show, but I thought no, I should be fair with what I have to tell, like
Yes,
whatever
yes.
comes in
Why
my
not?
mind.
Yes, you
Yes.
should always be fair so that it gives other person also an opportunity to learn,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes, be fair enough and be open enough to say things out. Hmm.
Okay. So first of all, you are the most amazing person I have came across because I think you are not like a perfect mentor. Like you are not like a mentor. You are just like a friend. Like I don't feel like I'm your student, even in the session or even when I'm talking to you. Make me understand everything so well, and I think आप सबके साथ ऐसे ही करते होंगे.
मैं
Like
cabin crew
yes,
हो अभी भी. I'm still a cabin senior who takes care of
yes,
everybody who comes new to
yes,
my team, like
yes.
a new cabin crew. So I do take care of
हाँ.
everybody. Mm.
मुझे अभी भी इमेजिन होता है कि अगर आप मतलब जैसे आप सीनियर कैबिन क्रू थे तो जैसे कि कोई कोई बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं बट ऐसे
Mm.
आपको देख के नहीं लगता है कि आप उनके साथ वैसे रहे होंगे वही मतलब आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू लाइक फ्रॉम लर्निंग अ कम्युनिकेशन टू अ टोन प्रॉब्लम and also a lot more where I'm lacking. You have helped me a lot, like in a lot way, and I think you are the best thing that came into my life, and I
Oh
think
my
I
God,
should yeah,
I'll cry now.
I'm regretting I'm regretting that मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं लिया, but it's okay, it's life, sometime it happens, but
Mm.
now I'm happy to have you, and yeah, that's
Mm.
all.
You can always stay
Thank you. Thank
connected because I conduct live sessions also. You can always come.
Okay.
And even Richa, after getting selected with Air India, also she used to come for my live session. I was like, why are you coming now? She said, I love being around you. I like listening to you. And to
Yeah.
some of the live sessions also, she would be like probably last one to say, okay, thank you, ma'am. And I was like, are you still here, Chinda? And she's like, yeah,
Uh,
I'm listening to you quietly. I was like, okay,
yes.
good.
Yes. You
No,
also
I'm
help.
good.
You also, you not only help someone to crack the interview, but also for the don't get emotional.
I
It's
do, I
okay.
know. I love my job actually. I really love
Yeah.
it. From the core of my
Yeah.
heart, I really love what I do, and it's like my heart and soul.
Mhm.
So
You
that's
not
that.
only guide someone for interview, but also for the life. Like what you have to do is something which connects me a lot from you. Like it's a like I can't tell you. It's something unmagical.
I'm glad that you people are.
Thank you for all the support you have given to me and guided me. Thank you for everything.
You're most welcome. It's always an honor and it's always wonderful. And I'm glad knowing that I did what I always want to do it. So somehow gives me a satisfaction that I'm doing it right. You know,
Yes, you
that
are
is why
doing
I
all.
ask for feedback because I should know what am I doing. Are people really getting it? That is the most satisfactory moment for me to hear from somebody that yes, I'm doing what I actually thought to be delivering through those sessions.
Yes.
So good, good. And don't worry, I'll
You
stand by with you until you become a cabin crew. So it is not just about these sessions. We always
yes,
be in
I
touch.
know.
And you can always ask for help and guidance whenever you think you're stuck. Like Shivali, till date, she asks, Ma'am, this is right. I say, yeah, that's okay, don't worry. So I don't
You
need my
always make
students.
someone else understand so much, like with so much of patience and with a calm behavior. Like it's something very good.
Mm. So it's wonderful because I can't fly now, though I still have that cabin crew alive in me. But I have another soul who is dependent on me, so I can't really do that. But I would love to see you people flying around, and this will be like dream come true for me also that my students are flying and they're happy they're doing what they want to do in life. So
Yes.
good. So not only this interview, even afterwards also, when you feel stuck, when you feel you need help for any interview thing that you're going, like for Akasa also, never mind. You can
Yes.
always talk, you can always ask, you can
Yes.
always prepare.
I know
Okay?
you will always be there. Yes.
Chalo. Good luck. Tomorrow we will connect. Day after tomorrow, I think you will leave from your home. Then we will connect on 14th evening.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Good
Okay.
luck.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Take care.
Bye.